Good day, everyone. Today is March 12, 2021, of course, 3:29 p.m. So, day 15 ng ating 10% compounding interest effect documentation and testing. So, kahapon di tayo nakapag-trade ulit kasi bumaba yung profit percentage. So, ngayon na lang tayo mag-trade, syempre. Daily eh. And day 14 yung nagawa ko, pero so voice over or 13 akala ko 13 pa lang. Anyway, tumingin ako ng mga pairing na pwedeng pag-tradean few minutes ago. Kaya lang talagang volatile yung market ngayon. So, itong dalawa yung medyo natira. Mag-CR lang ako. Pagbalik ko, nag-volatile na din siya. But still, tingin tayo na isa pang major pair. Not so good to me. Anyway, again, today our goal is to win the 10% of the capital. So, $95 yung ating capital ngayon. So, $9 ang kailangan nating ma-win. And we are so much delay sa ating compounding interest chart. So, let's see. Sit one more. This is downtrend and going down. Not like up. I prefer, I think, this one. So, pag nag-signal siya ng down, sabayan natin. 2 minutes. Alright. It's fine for me. Lower. Kailangan nating tumingin sa 2 minutes time frame. Again, we're still using trust the trend, trust the ladder, meron tayong secret technique, and then expect the reversal. So, for me, yun yung tatlong factor kung paano ka mag-win. Ay, strategy If you trust the trend, you will win. If you trust the ladder, you will win. And if you expect the reversal, you will not lose. So, anong kabaliktaran noon? Siyempre, you will win pa rin. So, 95 plus 9. So, 104 dapat ito. And again, yung limit loss natin is 138 na ladder. Parang gusto ko nga siyang baguhin kasi 10% ng capital, 9 lang. Pero yung limit loss mo, 138 is 12. So, medyo malaki. Parang hindi ba tugma. Oh, may sumisigaw. Kakanood ng TV. That is the beloved wife. So, balik tayo 15 minutes. Ayun. Pinagalitan siya ng anak niya. Huwag daw siyang sumigaw. 25, 24. So, biglang nagpapump pataas. Tingnan muna natin. So, higher tayo. Last minute. See how volatile the market is. Ang haba ng mga buntot at mga tawag dyan. Ungos. That's how I call it. Ganun pa man, we are still winning, so Lipat tayo sa kabilang pairing. $1. Down, up, down, ranging, up, down. This could be down tayo. Nagpapang pataas. Pero hit down. Ay, lower pala. Alright, one more. Silip tayo sa 2 minutes pero still lower pa din ito. If mag-signal siya ng red bago maubos yung oras. Red. If not, okay, red. Hindi mabot sa oras. Pagpilitin. Have to wait. But, okay, I think I had to close this and look for another trading pair. Euro USD major pair. Much better than the other. Nasa digital tayo kasi ang binary ay 84% lang. I think this is better. Habulin niya to, so bababa pa siya. If nag-signal lang down, if hindi, wait. 4 wins na tayo. Kahapon, ang ganda ng trade natin. March 11, day 14. Ayan, he's coming back. Abot pa. So lower tayo in a little. So 95, $9.104 dapat ito. Sa 0.99 or 99% na profit. Yung $9, 89 consecutive or straight wins. Abot na yun. Kung hindi man, 80-10. Oh! Come on, baby. Biglang tumaas. Tingnan natin kung akit. Watching from here. Tatlong candle pa. Red and red. I will hit lower. Alright, lower tayo. $3. Second ladder. Oops, stay there. Yep. Hold it. Pwedeng pigilan. Pipigilan natin yan. Okay, we got it. Lower tayo ulit. close na natin ito. Hindi siya bumabalik sa katinoan. Okay. Again, trust the trend and you will win. Trust the ladder and you will win. Meron tayong secret technique and you will win. Expect the reversal and you will win. So yung compounding interest, iba ang nagagawa kapag malaki ang kapital mo. Kasi mas malaki din yung profit mo na kaya na pwede at ang tawag doon, makatarungan na i-goal mo yung 10% ng capital. So para hindi ka maging greedy. Oops. This time still down, pero let's see. Ito nga. First signal up, second up, third up. Pag nag-apot na candle on 5, hindi abutin. Tingnan natin dito. Higher tayo, habol last minute. Why? I've seen this. Usually pag nakikita ko yan, yung umakyat dire-diretso and then merong isa or dalawa na red. Tuloy siyang umakyat within 30 seconds time. Alright. Thank you. Okay lang, wait po anak. So I have to pause. We'll be right back. 12 minutes, hindi aabutin. Day 15 again, this is. We'll be back.